The outer lower handle is part of your blower's lower handle and support. The outer handle is attached to the inner handle to make up this assembly. The outer handle can be damaged by dropping the blower. Replacing the outer handle is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old outer lower handle. The lower handle is secured with 2 screws. I'll go ahead and remove them. Now I can remove the outer handle from the inner handle and install the new one. I'll align it with the inner handle, and once it's in place, secure it with the screws. I'll start the screws with a screwdriver so I don't cross-thread them. And that's how easy it is to replace your blower's outer lower handle. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.